Getting ready to cross the street here on my own. We got somebody here waiting for a lull in traffic here. I'm at a crosswalk. My strategy is just run really fast as soon as I see an opening. All right, here we go. Ready? Here we go, man. So I used that old technique. I was downstream of someone else crossing, and so traffic was lull. I took a walk across. Everyone's very aware of the pedestrians trying to cross, and they're not going to try to hit you. They're going to try to miss you. And they drive fairly respectful, to be honest with you. For as much traffic as there is, you just put up your hand, let them know you're crossing. Don't dilly-dally, but get across the street, you're good to go. I'm getting it. Sometimes I even get a thumbs up or a smile as I cross. Pretty cool.